loudest 300 to a car meet. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get to the car. This is the Quiet 300 right here. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little cold start because I gotta hurt me to the gas station. Yeah. Now we in the car, and I'm gonna get back to y'all when we're at the gas station. I'm gonna give y'all a little. I'm losing traction in this bitch, you heard me. Snatch up the road. And I got wheel. Here.
Okay, alert.
Fuck out the way, bitch. Right now, we're just waiting for somebody at the gas station. And I put the camera up. We really gonna put the camera back up when we're officially on the road. Shit. Yeah. I'll start this bitch up. Let me see if he gives us a post now. Put on that fucking what's name like she finna be gapping niggas. Niggas finna leave her little slow ass. Oh fuck, that bitch closed. Minions in the back, you heard me. Out the way, old nigga. Treat the highway in this bitch. I'd be sick as fuck if this shit they canceled. Let me see. Lane, we finna just bip.
Nigga.
We say?
Yeah. It's that one night. It's that one night. Driving that dude, so ain't feel right.
Look at her press ass. She trying to catch a highlight, like, bro. Niggas not racing at just mid motherfucker delete 5.7, bro. You gotta do a little bit more for niggas wanna race you and all that year. Now we got Bronham right here. His shit cam. Y'all can't hear it, but his shit chopped. Some food right here, you heard me. spot. These jackasses missed their exit. I don't know what the fuck, bro. This bitch quiet. Fuck, I look like coming this bitch quiet for. So right now we too early at the spot, so we gotta wait. And shit, we'll pick this back up when we. I feel like over there. I hope this meeting not bullshit, bro. I need like everybody in mother to be here, you heard me? All right, now we at the spot. Ugh! God damn. Look how this bitch sound. I like this camera better than the other one.
Did you get a new one?
Yeah, I just got the money back for the one I bought. And I just had to put like $100 down. Right now we at the spot. Where the fuck she say she was at? Oh, yeah. So right here, this is where all the supercars start lining up. But they ain't here yet. They come like fashionably late, like they be on colored people time. Yeah, they come when they want to. That's good, man. I ain't gonna lie, this meats seem a little weak today. I'm gonna just get back to you when we start driving there, because this shit low key weak. Switch hard.
Is it sticker upon sticker? Or is it shorter one? It's always going to be like anyone stretched you go.
You got the farm over here. This bitch cold. Alright, man. So, we're leaving the car meet because this shit low key weak. And I hate coming to weak ass car meets. Alright, man. We back. We leaving the car meet now. Officially, it was like One of the homies pulled up, but now we're leaving the car meet a little early. We was here for about an hour, some change. Well, really, yeah, about an hour, some change. But it's really 2 hours, but we just leaving because it's kind of weak today. But yeah, I'm gonna probably give y'all another, I'm on the way back, so I'm probably give y'all a couple clips of me driving back to the crib and shit like that. But yeah.